Garlic toast and liquid me noodles and a teh tarik. Having a walk in Melbourne Fitzroy Garden. It's a pretty chilly day today. It's around 18 degrees Celsius. That's why I'm wearing my sweaters, and gonna have a walk around the gardens, and later in the afternoon gonna have some lunch. Planning to go to the Malaysian Restaurant. Alright. Seriously, only 10? I don't see any possums. Oh my god, it's very shiny today. Just finished my lunch and going back to my hotel. I'm going to get dark soon, but it's still very cool. So I'm going back to my hotel room. Can you see the cathedral? Back. Put it in, take it out, press the buttons. This is the corridor. Going back to my room. Oh god man, this is hot. That's the courtyard right over here. This is the building, nothing pretty fancy. So I'm going to show you a quick tour of my room. What really fascinates me about a 5-star hotel is the bathroom, so I'm going to show it to you. Entering the bathroom, so this is how it looks like. Firstly, wardrobes and stuff, those my stuff. So I'm going to leave that first. And of course you have your bathtub, and I have a customized soap for this bath and all these things. They have provided you shampoos, and what really interesting is this mouthwash, Fresh Mint. So another one is this toilet, which is so what really fascinates me about is the coffee machine. So most of the hotel, they have this coffee machines where you can have your capsules over here, so you can choose whatever capsule that you want. This on, all you have to do is put a cup over here and put this capsule and press this button and it will go on. Coffee. And another thing I want to show you guys is that normally they will give you the tea bags for English breakfast. You got Earl Grey, peppermint, lemon, ginger, green tea, and this is very nice, you know. They give you the chocolate. So every time I keep one in my bag, so I have lots of it, and also the mocha Kenya style coffee bags. So this is the interesting part that I found in a 5-star hotel, and of course the big TV, which is usual, the desk, and the Bluetooth speaker, and the view. So that's all about it. So this is my working vlog. So if you see that I keep on eating Malaysian food because I miss Malaysia so much, and of course I've been eating Western food for the past few days. I'm just getting very annoyed and fed up with the food here. So that's why every time I eat Malaysian food, I would just, you know, record it and take pictures and show it to my friends, show it to my family that I miss Malaysia so much. Alright, I think that's all about it. I'll see you guys soon. Alright.